Let's practice the power rule of differentiation with radicals. Our function is f of x equals the square root of x plus the 7th root of x cubed. We'll go step by step, keeping everything clear and visual. Step 1. Rewrite radicals using rational exponents. We use the fact that the nth root of x to the m is x to the power m over n. So f of x becomes x to the 1/2 plus x to the 3/7. Step 2. Apply the sum rule of differentiation. The derivative of a sum is the sum of the derivatives. That gives d by dx of f of x equals d by dx of x to the 1/2 plus d by dx of x to the 3/7. Step 3. Use the power rule. The power rule says the derivative of x to the n equals n times x to the n minus 1. We'll apply it to each term separately. First term x to the 1/2 becomes 1/2 times x to the 1/2 minus 1. That simplifies to 1/2 times x to the negative 1/2. Second term x to the 3/7 becomes 3/7 times x to the 3/7 minus 1. That simplifies to 3/7 times x to the negative 4/7. Step 4. Combine the results from both terms. So f prime of x equals 1/2 times x to the negative 1/2 plus 3/7 times x to the negative 4/7. Step 5. Rewrite with positive exponents using radicals. Recall, x to the negative n is 1 over x to the n. So we get f prime of x equals 1 over 2 times the square root of x plus 3 over 7 times the 7th root of x to the 4th. This is our clean final form. A quick note on domain. The formula uses radicals in the denominator, so it is valid for x greater than 0. Thank you for watching. Tap like, share, and comment, and then follow and subscribe for more quick problem-solving tips. Let's make maths simple. One video at a time only on muyversemaths.